Today we are with Marisa Chaco of Foursquare. She's a product manager. Okay, Marisa, I would like to ask you, what is the new project that Foursquare is working with?
So right now we're looking a lot at the homepage and simplifying that experience. I think one of the things we realize is a lot of our users know what they're looking for, and we had previously built this homepage that was a lot about, oh, I don't know what I'm looking for, I'm just going to browse things, and that didn't really pay out, and so we're looking at simplifying that experience. The other thing that we're really focused on is like using our location data intelligently. So one of the things that makes Foursquare awesome is we sort of track where you're going in the background and like can keep track of this history, and then give you a lot of personalization elements in it. So we really want to bring that out and show it as all the benefits you get from like sharing your data and like what you can do with it by knowing like, oh, where was that ski resort I went to in 2015, and you can search for it in your history. So we want to bring out a lot of those features that really show off location, because that's what makes us different and interesting.
Awesome. And what kind of plans, I don't know, you are planning to Latin America? What do you think about the Latin American market?
It's a great market for us. Actually, Brazil's, I think, our second largest market, and so it's huge for us, and we really love our Latin American users. Yeah, Brazil, also Mexico, obviously not South America, but huge markets for us. I think we'll continue to do more work there. We also have very big super user communities there, and those are like our most engaged, passionate users, and they're awesome. And so we love our Latin American users, and we continue to support that market.
Okay, Marisa, thank you very much.
Yeah,
bye.